For the holiday season, I made a device that gets quotes from OpenAI, from ChatGPT, festive, festive quotes. And the goal is that when I push a button, it goes get one of those quotes, and then it also uses artificial intelligence to translate the text returned by OpenAI into a spoken message, and then play that message again, all on this Raspberry Pi here. And I have that working, except the user interface, because I don't have a button, I have two wires here. But what you will see when I push those two wires is, first of all, that the screen here will say that there is a click. Let me put my camera back so that you can see that. It will show the quote that it gets from ChatGPT, and then you will hear the quote. I have connected an amplifier here, so you should be able to hear what it's saying. So first of all, I'm going to click the button here by touching those two pins together. You would see a click on the screen, and then a bit later, about 20 seconds later, the device should say the quote. Click. There you see that it clicked. Now let's wait for ChatGPT to come back and give its quote. There it is. A little bit
Ho,
later.
ho, ho. Legal notice. You are hearing audio generated by AI and not Oscar Wilde. May your holidays be merry and bright, just like the lights on a Christmas tree.
There you go, and then it waits for the next click. So if I press this again, then you will see that it will run through the cycles. Press, it detected a click, and a bit later, we will get a new quote here.
Ho, ho, ho. Legal notice. You are hearing audio generated by AI and not Oscar Wilde. Feast upon the merriment of the season, for it is the sweetest nectar that gladdens the heart and rejuvenates the soul.
Yeah, that's it.